Hello students, welcome back to English class. Today we'll continue the lesson Glimpses of Past. Sixth one, dissatisfaction. 1835 to 56. Back then all the teachings were in the form of Persian and Sanskrit. So in 1835, a British officer named Maclay suggested that they must translate all of it in English so the education is delivered in their language. They did so to produce clerks to get their unimportant clerical tasks and administrative duties like answering the phone, typing documents, filing and liaising with clients done. In the process of doing so, they manufactured a whole new generation of masterminds who wanted to uplift their brothers too by educating them. They wanted to strengthen their financial prospect that could lead to a promising future. But they needed to convey this to the British Parliament. Britishers, on the other hand, could not care less about the needs of Indian people. By this time, Indian people had become more worried. Their kings were now being treated as puppets. They had lost their old jobs and land. Britishers were forcing some of them to change their religion. Indians were tired of talking and wanted to do something. By 1856, the Britishers had acquired all parts of India. Next one, the Sparks. 1855 to 57. The ever increasing taxes laid on the peasants continued to pressurize them and worsen their financial situation. The Shantars in Bengal became disheartened and hopeless after they lost their land to the Britishers under the new land rule. Peasant, a poor smallholder or agricultural laborer of low social status. Shantars, a member of a large indigenous group living mainly in eastern India. In 1855, they launched a rebellion and massacred Europeans and all those who supported them. Rebellion, an act of armed resistance. Rebellion, an act of armed resistance to an established government or leader. Massacred, deliberately and brutally killed. The people working under the East India Company were highly dissatisfied too. The fact that they gave Englishmen good pay, mansions, and other help while they gave Indian only inadequate pay and slow promotion further agitated Indians. They felt bad that Britishers urged them to move out of their land to cross the sea and work for them, which was even against their religion. They were motivated to drive the Britishers out. An Indian soldier serving under British or European order named Mangal Pandey even attacked the adjutant of his regiment but was later executed. Around 1,000 of other sepoys like Mangal Pandey took violent action against the British but were only dropped their uniform in terms to make the sepoys feel humiliated. Sepoys, an Indian soldier serving under British or other European order. Adjutant, a military officer who acts as an administrative assistant to a senior officer. Some of the Englishmen even began to understand how Indians thought and how their mind works and their customs. They told Brahmin soldiers that the bullet they were supposed to bite is covered with grease made of cow and pig fat. Next, chapatis were being sent to each home in every village, conveying that their service could be required to fight the Englishmen. People agreed. Lotus flowers were circulated among the Indian soldiers. The nation stood against them, the support of the masses in the form of shelter and other help to the patriots. Revolt, 1857. The urge to free the nation of Britishers continued to grow. The city of Meerut also experienced a violent outbreak. The sepoys marched and moved to Delhi to support their emperor like Bahadur Shah. The revolt continued to spread and grow. They even got the support and landlords that had also lost a land due to the new land rules. People were angry and wanted to fight the Britishers. Last one, the fight for freedom, 1857. Many former rulers were bitter too because the Englishmen had taken control of their kingdoms. Leaders like Mauli Hamadullah of Faridabad motivated people to free the country of all the Englishmen. People of Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad rose forward too. Former ruler like Begum Azarat Mahal of Lucknow joined them because her kingdom had been taken by the British, therefore strengthening their power. Entire North India came together in large number to fight a pitched battle against the Britishers. The light of this, Azimullah Khan expressed his thought to Tatya Top that they should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as their leaders in this war of independence against the English. In this revolt against the British, 8-year-old Kanwar Singh of Bihar was hit by a bullet in his wrist, which he dedicated to Mother Ganga as an offering. Thank you.